Hello guys, how you doing? Today I'll show you that how you're gonna repair your electric scooter. And the story of this scooter is that a friend of my son, he wanna give it to him, or he wanna repair it by himself, and they open it badly, when the top cover, as you can see, they wanna open it by themselves, and they just try to pry it with the plier. That because there is a silicone they packed, and instead of that they're playing back, and they're just gonna pry it with the plier. And yesterday I just made a correction on it, and as you can see, the rear mudguard also breaking like this, and the locator of the stoplight wire also right here. I don't know why, but an interesting case is, and this is the lithium ion power battery pack. It's a 36, well, let me say clearly, 36 volt, and capacity is 5.0 ampere per hour, and watt per hour, 18 watt per hour. An interesting thing what I found is, we're gonna check the voltage drop test on the 2 points, and they tried to fix it themselves, but they couldn't. That's the problem. And this wire I found is okay, and this one also alright. But what I'm interested in with these 3 wires, guys, you just look at it clearly. They burn it. They couldn't even resist the power passing through. That because the bad contact and the bad connection between 2 points that makes the heat generate between 2 points and try to melt the insulator both sides. What about the controller? Let me show you quickly. It's a nice scooter. Maybe when I'm finish repair, then maybe he gave it to my son. And here is the controller. The controller is YFS M2 brushless motor controller, right? Voltage, DC voltage 36 volts, speed 25 km per hour, rated power is 350 watts. And this is 8.5 inch, something under voltage is 31. The current limited is 15 amperes. Alright, and this is the part number and dated, and this is it. So look guys, I'm specialized also the electric cars. I'm certified technician that the electric cars, Toyota Prius, and whatever the new generation or new car and models also. And as you can see that the insulator, the heat generated, and 3 wires there heat generated, but he's lucky he's not burning something. Sometimes in this case you see, and something happened, we see capacitor inside there, and with transistors and different diodes and resistance, they're gonna heat it up, but the wire, it seems good. But for the time what I'm doing is that they cut this off connectors and fix it with the new one. That because it's not going to, it seems bad contact between. Anyway, and this is the case, and I hope that, and it run, and afterwards that quick check that we're gonna make a quick battery check with my digital voltmeter, Voltcraft. So right, so let me put in voltage range. and see between 2 points. And the lithium battery pack shows me 40.4.3 volt. Though this is the I would like to see. It's full charged battery and seems good, looking good. No question about it. All right. So then the other 3 that I'm going to carry it off and that fix it with the new one, the connector, and the other one. All right. And there is no broken or short to ground or short to power. For the time being, I didn't see nothing in there. And this is the for the time being. What I would like to show you. It's amazing, you know. It's better check that instead of fixing it back. I think it seems okay, but just to check, you know. Why? Because even if it's burning right here, but I couldn't see that there is a burning cable there. No, it seems okay, but just to quick check, it's always good. We can save a lot of time, you know. Okay guys, the capacitor sometimes reloaded and you should have to deploy it first before we're gonna check, you know, with a voltmeter or something, you know. The capacitor seems good. It's no bulge, no nothing, huh? It's a special method what I'm using sometime, you know, just to check the circuit. And the other one. Yeah, it seems good. It seems good. Yeah, circuit board seems good. The capacitor, no bulging sign on it. It's okay, circuit board is okay. And transistor, no sign of burning spot or something like that. But what I need to change is the connector right here to repair these 3 wires and see what's going on. Then this should be run. This is what I expect. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment, See you with the next video. Bye bye.